Hello guys, my name is Engineer Ali. We want to solve this problem, and the problem is they gave us a triangle PQR in a particular shape. Three segments are given here. This one segment, and another segment, and they say we should find the entire area of the shape. That means the area of the entire shape. Now, what we're going to do now, this triangle is given as equilateral triangle, meaning that from here to here is 42 centimeter. Here is also what, 42 centimeter. Now, having known that now to be 42, that means here will be what, 60, here will be 60, and here will be 60. Now, because what? Because PQ is equal to what? QR equal to what? RP. All equal to what? 42. They are equal. And since they are equal, because of what? Equilateral triangle. Now, also, triangle P is equal to triangle Q is equal to what? Angle what? R. Angle P is equal to angle Q equal to what? Angle R, which is equal to 60, which is an equilateral triangle now. So now, for us to find the area of the full shape, remember that this is a segment, and these segments are equal because of the word, the kind of triangle that is described in them, or that is in between, that is inside it. Now, or enclosing the segment. Now, what we're going to do now, because what the length of this is equal to this, so they will produce the same segment area. Now, let us find the area of the triangle first. So, area of the triangle should give us what? Be equal to area of triangle PQR. Will now be what? We use what? Half times what? Any of the shape PQ sine what? Big R. Anyone you want to use it. So we can have it as 1 times what is our small p. Small p is this one, which is 42. Times small q is what? 42. So why the big R is what? Sine 60. So what do we do now? This one give us what? Half times what? 42 times 42 times root 3 over 2. So this we cancel this 21. This we cancel this 21. So what we're going to have is 441. I want to have 4. The answer will be 441. Got it? 441 times what? Root 3. So that is area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR is equal to what? 441 root 3. Now, if you want to get it in what? Decimal, we can say 441 times what? 1.732. Now, if you want to make it easy, you can do it like this. You can say 441 into bracket what? 1.0 plus 0.7 plus what? 0.03 plus 0.002. So if you do it that way, you will get the same answer with whatever you have here. So this one was this times is equal to 441.0 plus what? This times this is what? 7. This times this is what? 28. Carry 2. This times this is what? Give us 30. That means 308 point what? 7. Then 3 times what? 1 is 3. Then 3 times 4 is 12. Carry 1. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1, 13. So 13.23. Why? Because of 2 decimal place. If we move it 1, 2, because of 2 0, there are 2 decimal places there. So we are going to have it as this. Now, what again? 2 times what? We are going to have 2. Then 2 times what? 4, 8. This times this is 8. So if you move the decimal place 3 0, 1, 2, 3. At the end of the day, you are going to have this as what? 0.882. That's what I want to have. So if you add it together before I clean it, you have 2, do the addition, 8. This is what? 8 plus what? This is point. This point is under here. 7. Okay, sorry. 0.30. This is what? Sorry for that, please. 8 what? 2. So I'm going to have it as 2 exactly. Then this, there is a 7 here also. So it's balanced now because all the decimal point on the position in one place. So this one now will be what? 1. Then this is what? 10, 17 what? You have plus 1 that will carry 8. This 3, 11. Right one carry 1. This 10, 17 plus 1, 18. Bring out 1. 1 plus 8 plus 1 that will carry, that is 10 plus what? 3. You have 3. Then carry 1. 4 plus what? 0 is 4 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. That means I'm going to have your 7, 3 what? 7, 3. Let me write the answer. 763.81 centimeters square. So that is how to, in decimal point. Maybe you don't want to use calculator, area of what? Of triangle PQR. So in case you don't want to use calculator, that is the final answer there. So that is just that. Now, for us to get, that is area of the triangle. Now, for us to get area of the segment, because we need to get the area of each of the segment. Now, let's make a rough sketch here. Now, this is 60 degree. This is one of the segments. Let's call it. If I can get one of them, let's say P, Q, and R. This one, let's call it what? This 42 centimeter according to the question. So if I can get area of this segment, I can multiply by 3. I will get 1. I will get this 2, and I will get this 1, 3. So I will now be able to add this with the triangle to get my final answer. So let's go. Now, please, if you are enjoying it, please just subscribe. You are a new subscriber. But if you are a returning viewer, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I do not take this opportunity for granted. Thank you. And also give us a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video. Now, look at it. Now, this one now will now be what? Area of segment of a segment is equal to what? Area of what? Of sector minus area of what? Triangle PQR. So that's what I'm going to use to get our answer there. So that will give us what? Area of sector is what? Can be getting as 60. That means theta over 360 times what? Pi r square. That is formula for area of sector minus area of triangle 1 over PQ sine theta, sine r. We have also used that formula before, so no need to waste our time. Let's go ahead. The angle suspended at the center is what? 60 divide. Don't forget that this is a circle. This is not a full circle. This form a circle on its own. This one will form a circle on its own. Then this one will form a circle on its own. That means that these 3 circles that have an arc are equal because of the word. They have the same segment of the word, because of the triangle that is inscribed in them. So the length of the word of this chord produced what is the same length of this chord produced by the segment is the same length of this chord. So it now makes the segment to be having what? Equal area. So once we can get one of the area of the segment, we can multiply by 2 to get the 3 of them. So what I'm going to have now, we have 360 times what? 22 over 7, which is pi, times what? 42 times 42. Minus what? We have solved that one before. 763.812. So what I want to do now, this we cancel this. 6 in itself is 1. That means 6 divided by 6. 6 in 36 is what? 6. Then 7 here 1, 7 here what? 6. This one cancel here, this one cancel, we have 1. So we have 22 times what? Times 42 will give us what? 4 is 8 plus 12. 8 plus 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry 1, 8, 9. 924 minus 63, 763.813. 812. So now, having gotten that, what we are going to do to find this area, we now say what? Area of a segment finally is equal to what? 7 what? 924. Let me use there. 924 minus what? 763.812. 000. We are going to have what? 8. This means 9 because you borrow 1 here, put here 10. Big 1 9. Here mean 9, 10. 10 means 9 here. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 9 minus 8 is 1 point. So in that case, I want to have it as what? This is what? 0. Because this is 3, 0. Then 12 was 6. Remainder what? 8 here, 1. 160. So you have 160.188. 160.188. Sorry for that. Centimeter square for a segment. But remember that we have to find the full segment. So what we just look for is just a segment. A segment. So to find the 3 segments, the total what? Area of what? Of the what? The 3 what? Segments. Segment will now be equal to what? What do you have? 160.188 times 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. Now give us what? 24. Carry what? 2. 24 plus 2, 26. Carry 2. You have 5. Then 0. 18. Carry 1. 3 what? 480. Point what? 56 what? 4. Now this is the total. Now we have gotten this segment, this and this to be 480. We have gotten the area of this triangle to be this. So what do we now do to get the total area of the shape? Total area of the shape. Will now be equal to what? Area of what? Of the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Then plus area of the 3 segments. That will give us total answer. So what I want to have now is we are going to have it as what? 763.812 centimeter square plus what? 480.564 centimeter square. So what will now be our final answer there? So what we do is what? Just let's do the addition. 7 what? 63.812 divided by what? 48 what? 0 point what? 56 what? 4. So we're going to have it at what? 6. This 7. This 3. Carry 1, 4. Then this 4. Then this 12. So our final answer will now be what? Total area is equal to 1244.376 centimeter square. So that will be our final answer for this problem. I believe you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, just subscribe. If you are just meeting me for the first time, we always learn new things in this channel by special grace of God. Thank you. God bless.